Hi, and welcome back to the Canva module. This is lesson 4, extra tips and tricks. I want to share with you in this lesson some things I've learned along the way while I've been using Canva that I think you might find helpful. In this lesson, we will be going over magic resize, removing backgrounds, editing images, QR codes, alignment and grouping, curvy text, and using the search bar and filtering. Let's head on over to Canva to see how this all works. Let's start with magic resize. Remember these images that we used and created for Instagram and Facebook? What if I want to make them a different size? If you have the Pro plan, you can click Resize here, and you can quickly choose what you'd like to use them for. Maybe an Instagram story, maybe a Pinterest video, whatever you'd like. Let's go ahead and let's make these a pin. I'm going to go ahead and copy and resize. And everything comes right on over. Yes, I might have to go ahead and alter some of these things, maybe make it a little bit bigger in areas, just to cover this space a little bit since it is a pin. But that took seconds rather than minutes, and I have a finished pin. And I can resize this to whatever size I want. What if we wanted to make it square? Copy and resize. Here's my square image. I'm just going to move this over and we're ready to go. I might just move the text over a little bit because I like that look. And my square image is completely finished. I love the Magic Resize tool. In fact, that and removing backgrounds might be one of the main reasons I would say you would need the Canva Pro plan. The next thing I'd like to show you is how to remove a background. Sometimes you're going to have an image, whether it's your own photo or one from Canva or somewhere else, and you want to remove that background. So I'm going to put my image here, and I'm going to click Edit Image and Background Remover. There we go. See how fast and quick that was? It's removed my background, and now I can use this image and I can change the background here. Maybe I want to use my brand color as the background, but doesn't that look so nice? I really love the option of removing backgrounds. Okay, the next tip I'd like to share with you is how to edit an image. Let's go ahead and just look at Canva's pictures they have here. Let's just search school and find any image we have available. We'll just go with this one here. You can actually edit and change this image however you'd like. Go ahead and click Edit Image, and you can change the filter. Not only that, but you can change the intensity of the filter on the image. You can go ahead and add different shadows to the image. You can change the tone, and you can change the intensity in case you don't like that. There's all sorts of fun filters you can use on your images. Okay, now I'd like to show you how to make a QR code in Canva. You're going to go ahead on the left-hand side and click More, and you're going to choose QR code. And you can enter a URL here. Maybe it's to your website, or maybe it's to a TPT product. You choose. I'm going to go ahead and use my website. And now I have a QR code that I can put on here, and maybe I make a social media image, maybe I'm going to create a flyer and put that on there, or a business card to pass out. The options are really endless, but a fun thing to do in Canva is create QR codes. Another great tool in Canva is the alignment option. You can highlight the elements and the text, or just the element, just the text, and then go ahead and click position, and you can do middle, bottom, left, and it's going to find a good place for your text and your options there. So I clicked all the different alignments, and this is where it put me. You can also group your images together. Right click, first highlight, then right click, group. Now you can move this whole image together as one, rather than moving one image or one text box at a time. Another feature I'd like to show you on Canva is how to create curvy text. So I'm going to go ahead and click on my text box, and I want to click Effects. Then I'm going to come down and click Curved. And I can make this as curved or as straight as I want. I'm going to try and go along the edges of this circle, and I might have to twist it a little bit here. But now I have this fun curved text that goes along with the circle. I think curved text adds a nice effect to your images. The last tip I'd love to give you with Canva is how to utilize the search bar. So for example, if you were looking for a template, you could look for a specific theme, then use the filter and look for a specific color and even language. With elements, it can go even further. So we can search for school, and then we can filter for color, for orientation, if it's animated or not, cutout, which means it has a transparent background, and the price. So let's try free and animated and see what we can get with our search for school. And then you can see all the different videos and animations that come with that filter. The same goes for the photos. You can search for a specific topic, and again, filter it by color, orientation, price, and find exactly what you're looking for. I hope this module has been helpful for you and that you've learned more about Canva and how you can use it to build your brand identity and take your business from something basic to something brilliant.